Hey, what's up guys? So today I have got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 with me here and I'm going to unbox this phone. It is one of the newest and the latest phones from Xiaomi, and it is kind of a mid-range, low mid-range phone, and for the price actually, 199 US dollars, it has some very decent specifications. So we've got quad cameras here, 48 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel depth camera, and then 2 megapixel macro lens. And it is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 processor, which is an octa-core processor. It has a huge battery inside, 5020 milliamp hour battery, which also supports 18-watt fast charging. There is a huge screen, 6.53 Full HD plus IPS LCD panel, and this one has 128 GB internal storage and 4 GB RAM inside, and the screen is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. So let's get on with it and let's unbox this phone and see what's inside. And there we go, that's the phone. And the one that I have here is actually forest green color. So you can see here we've got quad cameras here, and I'll get back to it. We've got all the specifications here, so let me put this aside for a while and let's go through the box first. We have got our charger, and then we have a charging cable, USB-C power charging cable. So let's put that aside as well. Do we have anything else? No, doesn't seem like. Let's put this away. SIM ejector tool, and then startup guide, and then finally we have a silicone case for the phone. There you go, very nice to be included inside the box. Let's come back to the phone and let's remove this casing. First of all, I want to say that this green color is beautiful, and I really like this black camera and fingerprint scanner module here, and it contrasts very well with this green color. So I like the color and I like the back. And this is actually plastic, this is not glass, so this is plastic, and I don't want to damage it anyway. So there we go, that's the phone. And here we have power button, volume buttons. Down below we have got USB-C port here, speaker, audio jack. On this side we have SIM card tray. So let's pull this out and see how many SIM cards and SD cards you can put in here. So there we go, we can use 2 SIM cards and an SD card at the same time, which is how I like it, which is how it should be. So that's that. And it also has a splash proof coating on the entire phone. I don't know if it's true for the internals, but it says in its specifications that it has a splash proof coating. So should be fine with a few splashes of water. And then it is powered by Android 10, MIUI 11. So let's power it on and take a look at the software. So that's it guys, all done with the initial setup. Now let's take a look at the software first. We go in settings, about phone, and this one is running on MIUI Global 11, Android version 10. So latest software is here. Storage is 128 GB. So that's the software. And notification shortcuts, settings, a lot of features are available on this phone. MIUI is actually loaded with tons of features. So we have got the latest version of MIUI, which is good news. And then we have all these tools here. Let's go in the camera. Okay, so you can scan documents as well with the camera. Okay, cool. Let's take a photo. We've got 48 megapixel ultra HD photo mode as well. We've got a portrait mode, night mode, panorama, pro, and then we have got video mode, short video mode. I don't know what that is, but I'll go in detail of that. And then we have video quality, so we can change it from here. Macro mode is here, and let's go in settings, image stabilization, so yeah guys, that was Xiaomi Redmi Note 9, one of the newest phones from Xiaomi, and it has got quite decent specifications, actually quite impressive specifications to be honest, for the price of the phone. So I will be giving it a full review treatment very soon. Let me know in the comments if you want to know anything specific about this phone. Now I want to actually quickly compare it with A51, which also has similar specifications. In terms of the screen size, it also has 6.5 inch screen. There is an octa-core processor inside, and then we have cutout for the front camera on both the phones, so you can see that. So there you go. Now you can take a look at the camera cutout on both the phones as well, and the screen size. This one screen size is almost similar. This one is actually a bit more wider on Redmi Note 9, whereas the A51 is a bit more taller, I guess. So but you can see, take a look at them by yourself. So here you can see the performance between the two phones as well. And if we take a look at the back of these phones, you can see that both are made up of plastic, both have this shiny coating on top, and both have quad cameras. On A51 we don't have the fingerprint scanner on the back, because the fingerprint scanner is actually within the display. So actually obviously the touch fingerprint scanner is faster than the in-display fingerprint scanner, so there is that. Redmi Note 9 is actually a bit thicker, actually quite a bit thicker as compared to A51, and that could be accounted for its much larger battery. A51 has 4000 mAh battery, whereas Redmi Note 9 has 5020 mAh battery, so there is a big difference there. So that's about it from this video guys. That was the unboxing of Redmi Note 9. Let me know if you have any questions about this phone, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that bell icon for future video updates. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.